Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe. So students, today we will go through EVS lesson number 8, caring for plants and animals. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the plants and animals around us, the care of plants and animals, trees in my surroundings, a useful tree near my house. We have learnt about the different places in our surroundings. Now, let us discuss about the plants and animals we find in our surroundings. We find different types of plants around us. We see plants in gardens, parks, and along roadsides. Some people also keep plants inside their houses. Farmers grow some plants as crops in their field. For example, wheat, rice, and so on. Students, do you know? We can also find many different plants in the forest. Students, we have learned about different places where we find plants. Here are some pictures. We find plants in a garden. We also find plants in a house. We find plants on a roadside. We also find plants in a field. We also find plants in forest. These are the places where we find plants. Students, do you know? We also see different types of animals around us. Some animals are found on the streets. For example, dogs, cats, and cattle. Some animals can be seen at the zoo. For example, monkeys, bears, and so on. Animals like frogs, fish, and ducks are seen in and around lakes and ponds. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some animals that we see on farms or fields. Some animals are found in forest, jungles, for example, elephants, lions, and tigers. So students, we have learned about different places where we find animals. Here are some pictures. We find animals on the street. We also find animals at the zoo. We find animals at home. We find animals in a pond. We find animals in jungles. We also find animals in a field. So, students, in this video, we have learned about where we find plants and animals. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.